technology we live in. Miles apart but just a click away. Do you know what else is magical? Yes, the human mind and the extent to which one can create everything is endless. The globalites are no strangers to creating. Here, we are all set to present our artwork on paper. Let's witness Artience 2020.
Art is natural as sunshine and vital as nourishment. We, the students of Grade 2 Achievers from Archie Global School, welcome you all for the Virtual Artience Exhibition 2020. Nourished with positive thoughts and ideas. Do what you love and love what you do. We, the Achievers, love art and our art has a voice. So let it speak. Here are a few of the artworks of my friends. We use pastel colors, which is a mixture of oil with colored pigments. Painting is an illusion, a piece of magic. So what you see is not what you see. Here are a few of the artworks of my friends. Gianna, Ira, Krista and Dohit painted modern art using acrylic fluid paint. One must always draw. Draw with the eyes when one cannot draw with the pencil. Here my friends painted using their fingers. These are the artworks of Aryan, Bharadwaj and Roshan painted this and Gav Bisani painted this.
Good morning everyone, I am Varsha from grade 2. I made this pebble stone painting. First, I collected 5 different pebble stones and then I painted them like ducks. Thank you.
Art is magical, but it's not magic. What has stone, even stone can be transformed into an art. Yeah, the stone painting. Painting has its life of its own. This is the work of Gianna to use watercolor. Laura Angeles has done a painting on Corona. Ira has shown the importance of trees and deforestation. A true masterpiece does not everything. Here is my friend Akshaya, who did masterpiece through spray painting. Here is my friend Lohit, who has done the sponge painting.
In my back home pouring acrylic art, and this is watercolors, and the mole is oil pastels, and the little girl in the swing is me shading.
All you need to paint are a few tools, wild imagination and innovative technique. My friend Tierra tried a worldly paint, which is a style of Maharashtrian tribal art. This doodle art using various colors was done by Laura Hesselin. Gav Bisani is an artist who painted without a brush. Wow! Akshay used method art by drawing lines and curves to paint 3D illusion of bubbles. Dishran used blue and white colors to paint waves using wax paint. This is colorful work of Laura. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jit. I'm studying in grade 2. I drew this beautiful mountain scenery art and sunset scenery art. If you like it, let me know. Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Roshan. Every sunset is the opportunity to reset. I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper to hold my opportunities. Enjoy the view of the sunset with those skyscrapers. Thank you.
Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. These paintings you see are not created by any famous artist, but my friend who can challenge them. Produce painted underwater animals. Look at this. Our child imagination has wings. My friend proven that their wish will exist. These are all cotton swabs painting. I use used cotton